Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 13th, 2021. I wanted to come in real quick today and do a video for Polygon MATIC. You guys can tell that I did a video on December the 6th, December the 7th about looking for the price to go up. You guys can clearly tell that the price did go up, but it was only momentarily. It wasn't a long, drawn out movement higher in price. I need to come in and address this to each and every one of you who are interested in MATIC so that we can be prepared as to what's to come. So before I get started, if today's your first time ever seeing my videos and my price predictions, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you all appreciate how simplistic we are able to give you our price movements. All right, so like I said, December the 7th was the last time we did a video for MATIC. You guys can tell I was looking for the price to go up. I was even telling you on that particular video that I wasn't looking for the market to be extremely strong. Why? Well, take a look. We already understood that the market in MATIC was getting some restriction all the way back in May, right? $2.45 was already acting as restriction for MATIC. So I wasn't extremely bullish in the market for MATIC, but we still knew that the market strength was coming through. Now we had a very small amount of time in order to eat off the play, meaning you had the next day, literally December the 8th, to grab some of this profitability out the market. You guys can see that on that particular day, the market in MATIC came all the way up here to $2.58, right? Which literally brought us close to the all-time high price back in May, right? So that would have given you at least about 9.68%, but on the close of December the 8th, we would have gotten about, what, 3%? And that was it. Since that time, the price in the MATIC has been going down, and I really wanted to show you all something on the long-term charts that would tell us that we may go a little bit lower into the market in MATIC. So let me get started in that now. All right, so look at this. First things first, we got rejected. Okay, it is what it is. The market buyers could not maintain MATIC's price above $2.45. That's our first indication already to start thinking, okay, cool. Maybe the market is not as strong as what we once thought it was. We saw the price get rejected just like we did in May. This is not happening by coincidence, right? This is not happening by a mistake. This is what the market was going to do anyway. So we have to follow it, right? We have to see and make sure that we understand what's really going on in the market. So that's the first thing. Yeah, we got rejected. So that is one strike in the camp for weakness. Okay, so we need to start leaning towards price and MATIC going down. Cool, we got that. So let me show you all this long term, because we just started out on a whole new trading week, and I wanted to show you how we ended on the last week. Okay, so look at this. You guys can tell that over the last 2 weeks, which is inclusive of this week, the week of December the 6th, as well as this weekly price bar, November the 29th, right? So let's take a look at these two price bars. And I also want you all to look at the volume. The volume tells us everything we need to know as well. On the close of these two weekly price bars, we all can see that market close off of the highs, right? So we saw price over the last 2 weeks close off of the highs, meaning that there was more selling going on in the market in MATIC. 2 weeks. Look at the volume at the bottom of the price chart. That's higher volume than what we've been accustomed to as MATIC was riding the price higher. Well, this is indicative that the market is weak. So from a long-term perspective, especially seeing this consecutively, we are anticipating the price in MATIC to come down. You guys can even see right now, we're down 6.5% in the market in MATIC. Now, I'm seeing an area of support around $1.80. Second area will be around $1.60. This is already, we can see it from a weekly perspective. This price in MATIC is weak. It is, based off the volume, based off what happened in the last 2 weeks in market action. So look at this on the 3-day. So here we are. We're looking at the price in MATIC on the 3-day time frame, and we needed to allow this price in MATIC on this 3-day price bar to continue to go up, right? In order for us to really know that the buyers were controlling the market on this 3-day price bar, this last one had to be higher, and it wasn't, which lets us know again that that $2.45 price is restriction. All right. So as of this particular moment, as of this instance, yes, I'm looking for the price to come down. Now, it might not be a monumental movement to the downside. It might just come down to $1.80, like I told you earlier, and hold support. And we might get more buying come into the market there at $1.80, and then we might resume back up to higher prices. Look at this on the 2-day. What about on the hourly time frame? Okay, you guys can see it. Like, there's no sugarcoating this. It is what it is. Everyone needs to understand that price, yeah, it does go up, and there's time to where the market has to come down. So let me see what we have here on a daily basis. If we're trying to play the weakness in MATIC to $1.80, how much would that be? That's around 7%. So we can still see the price in MATIC go down another 7% before we see another indication of market buying, right? Let me see what the monthly chart look like real quick. So this is the monthly chart right now in MATIC. Okay, we got 18 days and 12 hours left. Now, currently, this is not a good indication that we're relatively strong. It's not. And you guys can still tell that we're kind of trading far away from the overall trend into the market in MATIC. Let me show you this. So right now, with price trading at $1.94, we are about 36% away from us even considering coming back down and testing the overall trend. So we got to keep that in mind. I mean, we can still see this price drop 36%, which everyone would think that it's a bear market, but you can clearly tell that it would just come back down and touch and test and confirm that ascending line. That's all. But just keep that in mind though. All right, I just want to lay that down on the table for you all to consider as we see this market in MATIC continue to trade for the rest of December 2021. Now, let me go ahead and do this play real quick. Like I said, I am playing the weakness into the market in MATIC. Maybe just to $1.80 first. My second area will be down here towards $1.60. Okay, that would be my second area for us to see price in MATIC come through and grab. Now, this is restriction. Okay, I got two areas of restriction. The first one is already up here that we saw the market confirm the restriction, the weakness, $2.45. The second area is going to be around $2.20. Okay, that's my ultimate. That's my first area for us to see weakness come through, i.e., start to see some selling, try to push the price back down. All right, now that's it. So we're still trading well within these two lines though. So I don't want you all to think that the market in MATIC is done with going up. No, it's not. I'm not saying that right now, but within those two lines, I mean, we got to play some weakness as well. It would be oblivious for us to even think that price never comes back down. And this is just one instance that I'm definitely noticing on the weekly time frame that there is weakness definitely coming through into the market, right? So I'm just going to play a little bit of weakness on this particular price prediction. Not massive, but just a little bit. I'm looking for it to try to come down and find some buyers around $1.80, maybe in $1.60. And then from then we'll come back through, look at the price, see if we got the buyers coming in, because if they're popping in, then we definitely need to switch our idea of weakness and try to push price back up. That will have to be the next plan. But as of this moment, this is what I'm seeing on the chart for MATIC. Okay, I want you all now to try to take the opportunity to see what do you all expect the price in MATIC. I want to see, I want to read your comments as to what you think the price in MATIC is about to do. So hit me up, drop me a comment real quick. It doesn't have to be long. Just tell me what you think the price is going to be to end out December 2021, maybe the first 2 weeks of January 2022, and we'll see which one is right. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.